What if I told you one of the world's fastest-growing apps had a cloud problem so big it showed up in its IPO filing? Not a small bill, not a missed discount, a multi-year cloud commitment worth $2 billion. This is the story of Snapchat and the lesson every cloud-heavy company should learn before their AWS, Azure, or GCP bill becomes a boardroom problem. Back in 2017, Snap, the parent company of Snapchat, was preparing to go public. The app was exploding. Millions of users were sending photos, videos, stories, filters, and messages every day. But behind every snap, every story, and every second of engagement, there was a cost. Compute, storage, bandwidth, infrastructure. And Snap was deeply dependent on Google Cloud. In its IPO filing, Snap disclosed that it had committed to spending $2 billion with Google Cloud over 5 years. Now, cloud was not the problem. Cloud helped Snapchat scale. The problem was this: when usage grows fast, cloud spend grows fast. And when cloud plans are not continuously optimized, the cost curve can start chasing the revenue curve. Here's where it gets serious. In 2016, Snap's cost of revenue increased by $269.3 million compared to the previous year. And out of that increase, $191.9 million came from higher hosting costs. That means infrastructure was not just a technical line item anymore. It became a financial pressure point. That same year, Snap reported a net loss of $514.6 million. Again, this does not mean cloud caused the entire loss, but it shows something very important. When your business runs on cloud, your cloud strategy becomes your margin strategy. This is where many companies get trapped. They either stay on demand and overpay every month, or they buy long-term commitments to get discounts, but then usage changes. Maybe traffic drops. Maybe teams migrate workloads. Maybe instance families change. Maybe the product roadmap shifts. Maybe AI workloads spike one quarter and disappear the next. Suddenly, the plan that looked smart 6 months ago becomes expensive today. That is the hidden risk of cloud commitments. And this is exactly where Usage.ai comes in. Usage.ai helps companies reduce cloud costs across AWS, Azure, and GCP by managing cloud commitments more intelligently. Instead of forcing teams to manually guess how much they should commit, Usage.ai analyzes billing and usage patterns, generates savings recommendations, and can manage the timing, laddering, and rebalancing of commitments automatically. So your team is not stuck asking, should we commit more? The better question becomes, how do we get the savings without carrying all the risk? Usage.ai is built for that. If usage drops below the commitment, Usage.ai's insured commitment model can refund the underused portion as cashback or cloud credits based on the product line selected as an offering. So companies can access deeper savings rates without being fully exposed to the downside of demand changing. And importantly, Usage.ai does this at the billing layer. That means it does not need access to your production workloads, secrets, or infrastructure. The model is also simple. If Usage.ai does not save you money, you do not pay. No setup fees, no contract minimums, no termination penalties. The Snapchat lesson is not avoid cloud. The lesson is, cloud growth without cloud optimization can quietly destroy margins. Your cloud plan should move with your business, because the real win is not just using AWS, Azure, or GCP. The real win is paying the right amount for the usage you actually need. So before your cloud bill becomes your next boardroom problem, check out Usage.ai and see how much your company could be saving.